Hi all, welcome to my channel. This video contains basic terminologies which are used in polity, and this is a channel dedicated specifically for SSC GS. Let's go into the video. So first of all, what is constitution? Constitution is like a rule book. For example, in school they give us diaries. Our school diaries consist of certain rules. That is what is the meaning of constitution. See, even a small place like school has a rule book, then imagine the rule book of a country. That is called as constitution. Next, what is the difference between part, schedule, articles, and amendment? So we need to be absolutely clear and we should know the difference between these terms. So what is a part? So a part is like, for example, take SSC Max. In Max, we have topics like percentage, ratio, and those particular chapters are called as parts. Okay. Uh, Next, what is schedule? Schedule, for example, in our college books, we used to have last reference topics, right? For example, appendices. Yeah, that is what is called schedule, the extra information. In college books, there used to be like last set of pages which consist of extra books to refer, extra authors to refer. So that is what is called as schedule, the extra information. So what is articles? Articles is like specific rules. For example, in mensuration topic, in the square topic, there are certain set of rules which we use for square. So that is what is called as articles, those specific articles. So part is nothing but the chapters. Schedule is nothing but the extra information at the end of the chapter. Then articles is like the specific rules. And what is amendment? So when we study polity, we usually come across the term amendment, constitutional amendment, CAA. So what is the meaning of that? Amendment is nothing but the changes that we make in the constitution. For example, when we were a kid, Pluto was also a planet, but now Pluto is not a planet. So when you take a textbook of the current kids textbook, you won't see Pluto, right? So that is what is called as amendment. The change is called as amendment. So I hope you got the difference between all those four terms. So now what we have to do is we need to know how many parts, schedules, and articles are there. So first of all, currently there are 25 parts, 12 schedules, and 448 articles. So this is current. So what about the number of parts, schedule, and articles when it was written? The Constitution was written. So when the Constitution was written, there were 22 parts, 8 schedules, and 395 articles. So these are the only 3 points we have to remember for MCQ part. So currently 25 articles, 25 parts, 12 schedules, and 448 articles. So that's it for today's video. In next video, we'll see about part 1 and their articles. Thank you.